plastic?
battles.
Yeah. What was?
Blah blah blah.
The guy was the groundskeeper was like, "Murr, murr, murr."
Silly Boo.
You're trying to get the TV, pet? Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna watch my stream. That's it.
For 2.5 hours.
And then you're gonna look at this. Click on your name up there,
Vice Lance, Jalen.
and you're gonna see drops. Okay, I'm gonna try to figure out why this
Only
is...
Cole twice?
Oh, let me figure this out. Oopsies. Let me put-
2026 NFL Scouting Combine. Cole Payton and Vice Lance. W!
Panda wants me to try saying thank you and will, so Yulch.
Wonder if he...
That was beautiful. Tell her thank you, and you thank you. Tell yourself thank you.
Oh my god, wait, the second part of Bridgerton came out today. What am I doing playing doors?
Supporting your friend.
I got my Stevie, bro.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't watch Bridgerton. I'm
wait.
so invested.
You tried.
In my 1800 England, I'm invested.
Why is that? Whatever.
Okay, I can multitask. I'm a woman in STEM. Even logged into Netflix. Oh, I am. W.
Why? Why are you like this? Image. Image.
Oh, I'm so excited. It's so loud.
Image. I'm trying to show
Yes
you
or no, the passing to the
something.
beyond dangers of the country. There's only 4 episodes.
Oh, there we
my
go.
God. Wait, Des, when did you die?
What the hell?
I died a long time
The
ago.
groundskeeper just went upside down.
I'm not even watching. Girl.
It's okay.
I'm on my phone, distracted.
Okay, let's see. Let us see. That work? That look okay? Let's see.
Oh, so there. Guess I'll die.
Second life's in there.
I blame second.
It's only
What?
Second's fault.
They're waiting for you.
Everything that ever goes wrong ever is Second Life's.
What the hell? That posits backwards. Why'd you go?
Oh, look at him on the floor. They
Oh my
electrify
god.
and
you guys
shit.
put that.
Okay. I put it up. I think I'm gonna remove this one. There we go. I did it.
Shit. Is it, bro?
Would I be alive? Is anyone else alive?
No. You wanna die?
Panda is.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why everyone
Oh
get
wait, no.
revived after
Panda is.
She's mourning over my death.
Oh.
Yeah, she's mourning. She's on the way now. She's on the way now.
And there's no time for that.
She's mourned.
No
There's
time
no
for
time
that.
for mourning. We got to go. No time for mourning.
I love how everybody runs sideways in this game.
So silly.
Like they don't run straight. They run crooked. You got the Stevie pet? Let's go. I know I said that weird. Nobody, just everybody. Hush. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do this. Okay, does that make sense?
lotus.
What I put in right here? Oops.
What's that? Thunder noise was in real life and I was so confused.
I think it makes
What the
sense.
fuck? Yeah. I think so.
Fell asleep on stream? I could never. Unless you are specifically like, okay guys, I'm going to sleep now. Here, watch watch my
Like
video.
Tubbo?
How does that happen?
But
Like
how do you
Tubbo
just
does?
like fall asleep?
How entertaining is that? You get to watch me sleep.
Like Tubbo has his mods do stuff when he sleeps.
Well, yeah.
They put on like videos
Or you
and
put
stuff.
on like videos,
Put
your
something
old
on,
videos. That's probably
Something
if I ever
entertaining
did like
to
a
watch.
sleep stream, like if I was doing like a 24-hour thing, I just put on my old videos. Cause I got tons of old videos that